Did you know that combining cloves and cinnamon can do more than just make your kitchen smell amazing? They are ancient remedies, and nutritional powerhouses can trigger an irreversible reaction in your body. And trust me, you'll want to know if that's good or bad before your next cup of spiced tea. Stick around as we uncover the truth behind this powerful duo. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions at the end, so don't miss it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one. All right, let's get started. What makes cloves and cinnamon so special? Let's start with cloves. Clove originates from the flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to Indonesia. Known for its pungent aroma, clove has been a prized spice for centuries. These little brown buds might look unassuming, but they're packed with eugenol, vitamins A and C, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. Eugenol is a compound known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and even pain-relieving properties. A natural healer right in your spice rack. And cinnamon? Cinnamon, derived from the bark of cinnamomum trees, boasts a history tracing back to ancient Egypt, where it was more valuable than gold. Cinnamon is rich in cinnamaldehyde, manganese, and polyphenols, making both indispensable for health. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. The magic lies in its cinnamaldehyde, which gives it that distinct flavor and incredible health benefits. There are two main types of cinnamon, cassia and Ceylon. Ceylon is called real cinnamon and is better for your health, but both types are rich in antioxidants, vitamins which play a crucial role in health and fat loss. What happens when you combine them? When these two spices mix, their active compounds form a synergy. This means their health benefits aren't just added together, they're multiplied. Here's what it can do for your body. Point 1. Enhance digestion by stimulating enzymes. Point 2. Reduced inflammation, which can alleviate joint pain and swelling. Point 3. A natural immunity boost, helping your body fight infections more effectively. The potential risks: too much of a good thing can backfire. Overconsumption of cloves might lead to toxicity due to eugenol, causing symptoms like nausea or even liver damage. And cinnamon? In large amounts, it can thin your blood or irritate sensitive stomachs. Balance is key. The safe amount? Stick to no more than half a teaspoon of each per day. That's enough to enjoy the benefits without risking side effects. Everyday uses. Wondering how to include this dynamic duo in your daily routine? Try sprinkling it on your morning oats or blending it into smoothies. You can even add them to marinades or baked goods for an extra kick of flavor and health benefits. Both spices are incredibly versatile. Use clove in curries, marinades, and desserts. Cinnamon pairs well with sweet dishes, coffee, and even savory recipes. The science behind it. Research backs this up. A 2018 study found that cinnamon reduces blood sugar levels, while cloves improve gut health by promoting beneficial bacteria. When combined, they work even better. Answering your top questions. Can I use powdered cloves and cinnamon instead of whole? Yes, just make sure they're fresh for maximum benefits. Can clove and cinnamon help with weight loss? Yes, they boost metabolism and improve digestion, aiding weight management. Can children have this mix? In small amounts, yes, but always consult a pediatrician. What's the best time to consume them? Morning is ideal, as it kickstarts digestion and boosts energy for the day. What is the best way to consume these spices? Incorporate them into teas, desserts, and savory dishes for maximum benefits. Can I use this mix if I'm pregnant? Only in moderation and after consulting your doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.